When it comes to audio editing, fades are often your best friend. Let's take a look at the intuitive and unique way Waveform handles these. As you'd expect, audio clips provide handles that can be adjusted for simple fades both in and out. You don't have to settle for a linear curve. Click on the Properties panel and you're presented with the various available options. In and out fades can be set independently with their own curve type, and the length of these fades can be adjusted both via the audio clip and the Properties panel. The same curve options can be applied to crossfades. These too can be set independently and adjusted from both the audio clip and the Properties panel. Fades don't only control volume levels, they can also control pitch. Simply right-click on a handle and you're given the option to speed up for a fade in and slow down for a fade out. Let's take a listen. Finally, Waveform allows you to copy your carefully crafted fades to automation with the simple click of a button. These automation sweeps can then be copied, pasted, tweaked, and applied to any track in your edit.